In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in ClickUp. If you need to share specific work with someone outside your main team, adding them as a guest is a simple way to give access only where it's needed. This is useful when you're collaborating with clients, contractors, or other external partners and want to keep your workspace organized and secure. To begin, open the item you want to share. This could be a folder, a list, a task, a doc, a dashboard, or another item inside ClickUp. Make sure you're opening the exact location the guest should access, because guest permissions are typically tied to that specific item. Taking a moment to confirm this first can help avoid confusion later. Once you're inside the item, go to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing settings where you can control who gets access and what they're allowed to do. If you don't immediately see the options you expect, just pause for a second and review the sharing panel carefully. Next, type the guest's email address into the invitation field. Be sure the address is entered correctly so the invitation reaches the right person. A small typo here can delay access, so it's always worth double-checking before moving on. If the option appears, select Guest as the person's role. This is an important step because it makes sure the person is added with limited access rather than as a full member of the workspace. In most cases, this is exactly what you want when sharing with someone who only needs to see or work on certain items. After that, set the permissions for the guest. You'll usually see options like View Only, Comment, Edit, or Full Edit. Choose the permission level based on what that person needs to do. For example, View Only is best if they just need to review information, while Comment works well if they need to leave feedback. Edit or Full Edit may be better when they need to actively contribute. It's a good idea to give the lowest level of access that still allows them to do their work. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. That will send the invitation and allow the guest to access the item according to the permissions you selected. If the guest needs access to more than one location, repeat the same process for each additional item. This helps you stay in control of exactly what is being shared across your workspace. Thanks for watching.